Assalamu alaikum grade 1 children. Today in our fat book children, that in English discovering book, we will learn or teacher is going to teach you chapter number 4 and the name of that chapter is Ride and Smile. In this chapter also we are going to see the 8 family words, and all that family words they are starting with I. They start with I. Children, here name Ride and Smile. What is here? See the picture in this lesson. What they are doing, children? They went for a ride. So when we are in car or on bike, even on horse, when we are sitting on that, in that, or even in your school bus also, if you tempo also, children. So when we are roaming in that, उसके अंदर बैठ के जब हम बाइक पर हो, कार में हो या घोड़े पर हो, उस पर बैठ के जब हम राउंड लेते हैं या घूमते हैं, दैट इज नोन एज राइड. वॉट इट इज नोन एज राइड. RIDE, राइड. एंड स्माइल. अब राइड करते तो वी आर हैप्पी ओनली ना चिल्ड्रन, इजंट इट. जब हमको घूमने में तुम्हारे अम्मी अब्बू जब तुमको घूमने लेकर जाते हैं या तुम्हारे कोई बड़े जो है तुमको घूमने लेकर जाते हैं, दैट टाइम यू आर हैप्पी ओनली ना. सो व्हाट यू विल डू दैट टाइम, व्हाट यू आर डूइंग, you are smiling. Your face is of a happy face, smiling face. So ride and smile. Here children, in this lesson all the family words they are with I. ICE, eyes. ICK, ick. IDE, id. ILE, ill. ILL, ill. ING, ing. INK, ing. And INE, in. Today we will see first 4 family words. See here on page number children 44, page number 44, here 4 or 5 new words it is for you in this chapter. Ice cream, it is not new for you, but the spelling of ice cream it is new, children. Ice cream every time you are eating, in summer season every day you are eating. So ice cream word is not new, but the spelling of that ice cream it is new, so learn it. It is the number 1 is ice cream. This boy is eating ice cream. Here it is a pile, children. What is the meaning of pile? Pile, one we are keeping the something, some what you will say, group of things on each other, on top of each other, it is known as pile. देखो ये बुक जो एक के ऊपर एक रखी है ना, so it is a pile of books. Then here children, bike. सबको पता है bike, but you must have to learn the spelling of bike. And here is a dice. Dice is what, children? In Ludo you are playing now with dice, so that is that. सांप सीढ़ी वाला गेम भी तुम खेलते हो ना, इसी डाइस से खेलते हो ना, so that is a dice. Here it is a price. Price means जो चीज़ की अपन कीमत लगाते हैं, कुछ देखते हैं, टैग मारा रहता है, तुम्हारे जो भी चीज़ तुम लाते हो उसके साथ जो है एक ऐसा टैग लगा रहता है या कोई चिट्ठी चिपकी रहती है और उसके ऊपर उसकी क्या रहती है, प्राइस रहती है. So that is a price. Here on page number 45 children, just see ICE family. In this, here all red color words which teacher has already underlined it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 words are there which are with ICE family. See here, what they are telling, my name is Tiny Mouse. This mouse, he is telling my name is Tiny Mouse. And what he is doing? I love to play dice and mice. I love to play dice with mice. Here children, they are mice. One mouse and two mice. The plural of mouse is mice. And this mouse now he is playing with dice and with the mice also. उसके साथी जो है उनके साथ खेल रहा है. They are very nice. What they are saying, this mouse is saying that these two mice, no, they are very nice. They are good. Nice का मतलब होता है अच्छे. After a game होने के बाद what? We all have milk with ice. गेम होने के बाद, खेल हो जाने के बाद what they are having? They have मिल्क विथ आइस. थक जाते हैं ना, तो फिर उन्होंने दूध पिया और विथ वॉट? विथ आइस. उसमें आइस डाल के ठंडा वाला दूध पिया. Isn't it? So children, this lesson read 3 times with your mother children. And all these 4 words, no, you must have to learn them and write them in the rough notebook. Here in the practice zone children, for you 4 pictures are given, and for these 4 pictures, you know, 1 letter is missed. That letter, no, you have to write by yourself. This is the picture of what? Just now I said 1 mouse, and if 3 are there, they are mice. M is not there. So you will write here M. M plus ICE, mice. Here ice. Ice means that baraf, children. So nothing, because ice spelling it is given only, ICE, ice. Then here what is that children? What we have to add? Prize, P. See children, we have to add 2 letters, not only P. PR we have to add, PR, ICE, prize. Then children, here we have to add only D, DICE, dice. Now, in this video, children, we will end over here only. In next class, we will do another family words, other family words. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.